Gasoline prices are on the rise, and recent geopolitical tensions are playing a significant role. The ongoing conflict between Israel and Iran has disrupted oil markets, leading to increased crude oil prices and consequently higher gasoline prices. And that's pretty straightforward on how it could affect you, but let's get into more of the details. Iran's oil production. As of now, their crude oil production stands approximately at 3.3 million barrels per day, making it the third largest producer in the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. Despite facing international sanctions, Iran has managed to maintain a relatively stable production level. Impact of geopolitical tensions. The conflict between Israel and Iran has escalated, leading to direct attacks on critical infrastructure in both countries. In retaliation for Israeli airstrikes, Iran launched missile attacks on Israeli energy facilities, causing significant damage. These attacks have disrupted oil production and exports, contributing to a surge in global oil prices. Brent crude oil prices have risen to about $70 per barrel, from about $60 per barrel just from the end of May. The Strait of Hormuz is a critical choke point for global oil shipments, and it remains a focal point of concern, with Iran recently considering closing it down. Analysts suggest that even limited actions such as mining the shipping lanes could lead to significant increases in oil prices. Gasoline prices and consumer impact. In the US, the national average gasoline price has risen to approximately $3.14 per gallon, with California experiencing higher prices at $4.65 per gallon. These increases are attributed to the surge in crude oil prices, seasonal demand, and refinery issues. And consumers are feeling the pinch at the pump, and the situation may worsen if the geopolitical tensions continue to disrupt oil markets. While the Federal Reserve is monitoring the situation, the potential for renewed inflationary pressures could influence future monetary policy decisions. Now, why does all of this matter? You may have experienced times where oil and gas prices have shot up in the last few decades. In these cases, you can aim to drive less and pursue alternative transportations if money is a concern. But if your situation does not allow it, for example, you're in an area without reasonable public transit, then this doesn't really apply to you. But to whatever extent possible, consider driving your vehicle less, or maybe even consider switching to a more fuel-friendly vehicle. And in conclusion, the ongoing conflict between Israel and Iran has far reaching implications beyond just the Middle East. As geopolitical tensions continue to disrupt oil markets, consumers worldwide are experiencing higher gasoline prices. Staying informed about these developments can help individuals make more informed decisions regarding their energy consumption and financial planning.